which is cut from the circle by a cord, right? And sector means it's a pizza slice. When we eat a pizza, these are the slices of pizza, right? So that is always a sector. Okay, so this is a segment. Then what is an alternate segment? Before going to alternate segment, first tell me what are alternate angles. Alternate angles are those angles which are on the opposite side of the transversal, right? Remember this word, opposite side of the transversal, right? This is basic, we have studied it earlier. So what are alternate segments now? So what is the segment we defined? This segment is a piece of the circle which is cut by a chord, right? So suppose if I want segment PQ, I'll have to define segment PQ smaller or segment PQ bigger. See here, circle is cut at PQ by in two parts. One is the smaller part, other is this bigger part. So both of these are segments. This smaller is main segment if you call it. The second will be the alternate segment then. That's the meaning of alternate. Means those parts of the circle which are on the opposite side of the chord which is cut. Similar to this of the parallel lines, those angles which are on the opposite side of the transversal. Same logic over here also. So what does this alternate angle theorem say? It says the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. It means this angle which is made by the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle of the alternate segment. See here, this is segment number 1 and this is the alternate segment. So this angle will be equal to this tangent and the chord angle. Now you will say one question, tell that if this angle was instead of here, it was here somewhere, will it be equal? So the answer is yes. See, it's like this. This is the PQ. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.